Friends, there are a lot of people who suffer from hair dryness. It is a very common condition. The hair gets so dry that it gets charged. The other problem is that of hot water that we use in the shower removes all the natural oil from the hair. So care should be taken in winters to not use too much of hot water, especially while washing hair. Use lukewarm water to wash, use any shampoo, but remember to use a conditioner every time you wash your hair. If you have oiled your hair before a wash, you would know about the conditioner. If your fingers get entangled in your hair, you would require a conditioner. And if your finger removes easily, then you don't require conditioner at any cost. So if you have dandruff and are using an anti-dandruff shampoo, then use conditioner along with it, which is very necessary. And always remember to spread the shampoo properly in your hair. Whenever possible, especially on a holiday, wrap a steam of towel around your hair for at least a minute and let the steam penetrate into your hair. Our hair also have pores. The conditioner that you have used should go inside the pores and make the hair softer. A little effort and care will help your hair to become more healthy and good looking. Oiling your hair is also a very important step. The one who is unable to oil the hair feels that she is missing out on something because oil works as a conditioner. We should coat the hair with oil for conditioning. The importance of oil massage is that it gives the head a very nice and relaxed feeling. Massage stimulates the area and it increases the blood circulation. We use oil to avoid friction and hair loss. The importance of oil for doctors of dermatology is that it avoids friction and gives us a massage to the head. Also, one more important point is that do not oil your hair overnight. The disadvantages of keeping the oil overnight is that the oil runs down on your face and it leads to pimples. The oil production is more in teenagers and the people in their 20s. So, always oil your hair, keep it for half an hour and then wash it after half an hour. Using beer as a hair conditioner is also a very good point. Beer contains a protein that helps to repair the hair cuticles, making the hair smooth and shiny. Another important thing that you can do is using egg. People can prepare one of these protein-based mixtures to help cure dry hair. Eggs contain lots of protein which helps to fortify and strengthen the hair and restore moisture to brittle or very dry hair. Whip an egg white with 2 tablespoons of tepid water. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp. Massage with fingertips in circular movements for a few minutes. Rinse the hair with cool water and then shampoo the hair. Another very important solution for dryness of hair is banana mask. Bananas are high in potassium and have high moisture content, which makes them suitable for treating dry hair. Because of their beneficial properties, bananas may prevent split ends, soften the hair, and improve elasticity of the hair. To take advantage of these benefits, mash 1 banana and thoroughly spread it on the hair from roots to the ends. Leave it on the hair for 1 hour and rinse with lukewarm water. Another very important change is dietary changes. Eating healthy and including omega-3 and antioxidants to a person's diet can make your hair look healthier and shinier. So the following products are rich in those beneficial compounds and a person can include them in their diet for reducing hair dryness. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna. These types of fish are very good for your hair. Oysters, fruits like blueberries, tomatoes, walnuts, broccoli, kidney beans. So all these products and all these type of foodstuffs are very good for your hair. Another very important factor which is important is lifestyle changes. Avoid overuse of hairstyling products, hair dryers, and curling irons. Use these inexpensive and effective ways to bring back smoothness, moisture, and shine to your hair.